581 to the Seattle Denver. The train will be arriving in a few minutes. It's heading to LA. The train will be pulling up on track 1, the closest track to our building. If you're taking this train and traveling business class, you'll be boarding the last car, so please make your way to the bridge. Stand underneath the bridge, that's where that car will pull up to. All coach passengers will be boarding north of the bridge. You'll have 4 cars to choose from, leading from our lobby doors down towards the handicap ramp. 4 coach cars available to you. Any open door you'll be able to board.